Welcome back, classic car enthusiasts. Today we've got a list of 10 classic cars for sale, all ranging from $500 to $5,000. These gems come straight from Facebook Marketplace and they could be yours. Let's dive into the details. Car number 1. 1975 Corvette, $3,000. This 1975 Corvette is located in Evergreen, Colorado, and it's definitely a project car, but it runs and drives. The seller is asking for $3,000 or best offer. It has an automatic transmission and a 90,000-mile odometer reading. However, the title is missing. The orange paint might have faded, but with a little work, this coupe could be revived into something stunning. If you're up for some restoration, this could be the deal you're looking for. Car number 2, 1979 Ford F150 pickup, $5,000. In Wichita Falls, Texas, we have this 1979 Ford F150 pickup priced at $5,000 firm. This truck has had some serious work done, including a rebuilt transmission in 2021 and several other updates through 2023. It's been driven 187,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and the body's in decent shape. No tailgate though, and the air conditioning is out of commission. But the heater works, and this could be your dream truck if you're looking for a reliable classic. Car number 3, 1964 Rambler Classic 660, $3,400. Now, here's a cool project, a 1964 Rambler Classic 660 located in Albion. This car has had some serious upgrades, including a 350 small block Chevy engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. It has disc brakes up front, rack and pinion steering, and even a Ford 9-inch rear end with a custom 4-link setup. The body is mostly original with some decent floors and replacement fenders. At $3,400 or best offer, this Rambler is ready to hit the road after some work. Car number 4, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette, $4,800. Another 1975 Corvette. This one's priced at $4,800 and is located in Crystal. It's a bit rough around the edges, with damage to the right front fender and driver's door. The paint is faded and the headlights need attention, but mechanically the engine, transmission, and brakes are solid. It's been sitting for a while, so the mileage might be off. Still, if you're looking for a winter project, this one's got potential. Car number 5, 1971 Thunderbird, not running, $500. Here's a real project. This 1971 Thunderbird in Bisonet Plaza is being offered for just $500. It doesn't run and has no title, but it could be a great parts car or restoration project if you're looking for a cheap Thunderbird. You'll need to tow it away though, so be ready for that challenge. Car number 6, 1971 Plymouth Fury, $3,200. This 1971 Plymouth Fury in St. Francis is priced at $3,200 and is in the middle of a restoration. It needs a new ignition coil, which the owner has purchased but hasn't installed yet. The car's carburetor was recently rebuilt, and while it's running, it needs some tuning. The body has the typical rust for a Mopar of this era, but with a rebuilt 360 engine, this Fury has only 10,000 miles on the block. A great opportunity for someone looking to bring a classic Fury back to life. Car number 7, 1964 Plymouth Signet, $3,500. This little red 1964 Plymouth Signet is located in Caldwell and comes with a newly rebuilt motor. The paint looks original and the car runs great with new tires and a nice vinyl top. The stereo has been modernized with a hidden installation in the glove box, but the original stereo is still in the dash. It's a beautiful cruiser for only $3,500. Car number 8, 1976 Cutlass Supreme, $4,500. Check out this 1976 Cutlass Supreme in Nashville. It's powered by a 350 rocket engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. This Cutlass runs great with all lights and switches working perfectly. The body is in good condition with no dents or cracks, but it does need a paint job. At $4,500 or best offer, this Cutlass could be a solid classic muscle car for the right buyer. Car number 9, 1978 Triumph Convertible, $4,985. Here's a fun one, a 1978 Triumph Convertible, located in Little Chute. It has a manual transmission and has been driven 70,000 miles. The body is in good condition and it's ready for some top-down cruising. Priced at $4,985, this British sports car is a great deal for a fan of convertibles. Car number 10, 1962 Buick, $500. Last but not least, we have this 1962 Buick in Franklin. It's a rough project car priced at just $500. It doesn't have a title and it's missing the front seats and bumper. This Buick would be a serious restoration project or a parts car for someone who's up to the challenge. That's it for today's list of affordable classic cars on Facebook Marketplace. From Corvettes to Thunderbirds, there's something here for every kind of car enthusiast. If you saw something you like, don't wait. Reach out to the sellers and let us know in the comments which car you'd love to bring home. See you in the next video.